1, 3. Labor rights. I remember years ago when I was disappointed when Patrick Lee lost. And I said to my two good friends, Bigger, Younger, Miss Will, I said, wait I go take.
Check.
Wait I go take to win East Portland. And their response to me was, it a go take somebody like Anne-Marie Vase to win East Portland. And labor rights, so it was. Anne-Marie Vase, my sister, my friend, is a champion. She's a warrior. She is fearless. She has put in the work. And because she put in the work, and because she's standing on a record of performance, we know that the people of East Portland will return Anne-Marie Vase, the beautiful, the lovely, the marvelous.
I love you, Lord.
Hold on the bigger fight, drop it low. When my sister spoke about beautiful speaking, you know where you did a talk about. Because beautiful speaking can't provide school bus, action, do that. My Portland family. We have one here that is working. My Portland family. Let me tell you something, a short, so I have to hold this. It is good to be home. Because West Portland and walking with the Member of Parliament, my beloved Pums, Daryl Vase, is what caused all of you to see the potential in me. I am very emotional tonight because when I look left, right, side, back, front, I see my family gathered here, and I know that you're on the journey with me that you started in 2019. I want to thank each and every one of you in Portland, because tonight I stand here not only as your Member of Parliament, I stand here as a mother, I stand here as a wife, I stand here as a woman of deep faith, and I stand here as a daughter of Portland. This is not about politics for me. This is about giving back to a parish that has my heart, that has opened its arm wide and has embraced me. I have walked the hills and the valleys. I have walked the hills and valleys of West Portland, and I have walked the hills and valleys of East Portland.
And every single thing I do is coming from my heart. We have fixed roads in Portland that people have forgotten. 90 years, the valley, the roads in Millbank, Comfort, Castle, Bellevue, Norwich Heights, Anchovy, the $1 billion South Coast Highway, water in pipes, light on fields. And let us talk about the fact that after I have laid the foundation through this government, we are now in the process of building the bone brook that will employ 3,000 of our people. No. I am a member of parliament for everyone. And I feel such a sense of pride in the people of Portland, in their industriousness, in their creativeness, in their ambition to better themselves. And I want to tell you something, that I know this man that using a map to get around in East Portland, I want to say to him that even though I know you're not talking about labor rights, you are out of order to say that the people who are supporting you have no sense and they are dunce. You call them monkeys. They can't understand what you say because they're not bright like you. I want to say to him, the only third term you can get is another stint in prison after the last two that you have had. Portland is the most peaceful parish, and since him coming this place, we have a little turn up of violence. We, the people of Portland, going to mash that down. Because no outsider coming in this parish to spoil our reputation. We're going to pack him up the same way we pack up the last 4 people and send them back at home. They take the people of Portland because we have been a forgotten parish for a long time, for fools. But the only fool around here is him fooling himself. Because the people of Portland not going back. We're not going back to poverty. We're not going back to lack of road. We're not going back to lack of water. We're not going back to lack of education. We're not going back to the dark days of the last 30 odd years. We're not going back. We may have been proud, but we are poor, but we are proud. And this government has set a platform that every single one of us is going to realize their dreams. They want to badmine the little bus that we brought into Portland after so many of our kids died and got injured. But they can't stop it because the wheels of the bus will go round and round across Jamaica come September morning. Labor rights. I don't have to stand here and tell you what's happening in East Portland because you live there and you see it for yourself. I hear them telling you, say you know we believe what your eyes can see. I mean, I don't know where what that come from. Because if you see something and you can't believe it, what that's about you? We don't want nobody to come down here to announce that they're going to build 500 houses in those swamps. Because we have enough land, flat land to build houses with people. They're out of order. So, you're waiting on our Prime Minister. And one thing I'm going to say to you tonight, workers of the Jamaica Labour Party, your time is now. Your time is now. We are depending on you. That when we get the green light, indoor, outdoor, clusters, supervisor, and everybody, we're going to carry with neighbor, and the whole of us going to vote for Labour. We're not going back. We're not going back to where we're coming from, East Portland. We're not going back where we're coming from, West Portland. We're not going back where we're coming from, Jamaica, because every Jamaican is going to choose Jamaica. Show a Labour right. It would be remiss of me to try and mash down. We know that them propaganda, that's all they have, right? But I want to mash down a lie today that Blue Lagoon is open to the entire Jamaica, Portlanders and everybody. Gone are the days when you have to go behind a bush to use the bathroom, because we have put structure and order in Blue Hole. And I want to tell you something. I hear arguments about Boston Beach, and I want to clear it up here tonight. The People's National Party caretaker for the Fellowship Division has had the lease on Boston Beach for over 9 years. The Prime Minister has announced that Boston Beach will be one of the beach that will become a free beach for the people of Jamaica. And you know what Colin Bell has done? He has taken the government to court to keep himself on the beach. And yet they are trying to say that we want Boston Beach for myself. I am calling on the leader of the opposition to take his caretaker of Boston Beach so that the people of Portland and the people of Jamaica can enjoy it once again.
Hey, gringo, hand me my pistolero. While you're at it, get me my sombrero. As war, this means war. Some boy on fire, lead! Straighten them out, Gargamel!
Labour rights!
This cannot be straight on the pen and paper. Leave that till later. Big up wife! If you love me, you know me, you know no bongo can't this.
Thing not change, nothing might rearrange. Don't take it strange. Only the regular for the range. Yo, shut up! Some people need to stop rocking.
Hey, gringo, hand me my pistolero. While you're at it, get me my sombrero.
Wanna hear what the boss
As
lady said?
war.
Labour rights soon already?
Some boy on fire, lead!
What we say, are we on them?
Straighten them out,
Election day?
Gargamel!
What of me election day?
This cannot be straight on the pen and paper.
Election day?
Leave that till later.
Election day, Labour rights?
If you love me, you know me, you know. If you love me, you know me, you know. And if you love me, you know me, you know. Okay, well, I me, you know.
Them things that them get wet. Them things that them hear they off. Shower Labour rights. Shower Labour rights. Testing 1, 3. We not test. Bigger 5. I want you to pay attention to a meeting. Okay? So we went to the east, labor rights. Where we are going next? Where we are going next? Who over the west? Who? Let me tell you why. Labor rights? How we are going to introduce the member of parliament from the west. Huh? Him get a warning. I wonder which song him going to draw for tonight. Huh? Mr. Vase? One Daryl Vase? One Mr. Vase in the west?
Let me tell you why Miss Obedian.
Why? That can't play. Bigger 5. That can't play. Introducing the boss for West Portland. The man was saying Bun Bad Mind. And the song We Are Bun Bad Mind. When we think about the song that we think about with the Daryl Vase I do with PNP, we know that East and West Portland will remain in the column of the Jamaica Labour Party. Labour rights, rise for champion. Yes, Mr. Vase.
I don't mean make a girl want play and I like sponge dance to the rhythm. Chaka chaka. You know that too. Bigger 5. Bigger 5. Bigger 5. Bigger 5. Bigger 5. Bigger 5.
West Portland, East Portland, labor rights from all over Jamaica. Every labor right with bun bad mind. Put up your hand.
Burn them out and run them out and send them out and down. Only man will eyes, let's say do it.
Bigger 5. Me dey on best behavior tonight. The Prime Minister is here. Me well want run a tune, but me can't run it. Because the Prime Minister banned me. But you know the tune me want to run. Prime Minister, colleague, ministers and members of Parliament, I have a few words to say tonight. And I'm in a somber mood. I'm in a reflective mood. First of all, before I go any further, I want to, on behalf of the entire Portland family, to send our condolences to a great visionary, a great leader who passed last night, Don Webby. A man who I knew from a young age. A man who campaigned with me, with my father in 1976 in the state of emergency. We lived nearby and he showed his leadership from then. And despite the fact that he was a visionary, a patriot, and did so much for his country, he was not a tribal politician. He was a statesman. But make no mistake, he was a rockstone laborite. And I want us to stand and stop for 1 minute and pay tribute as the first political meeting since his passing last night. Don Webby served his country well, and he served his party well. May his soul rest in peace and life perpetually shine on him. I am in a reflective mood because I think it's important tonight, Prime Minister, to give my journey, because people only hear that Portland is green and that my name is Mr. Portland and Anne-Marie's name is Mrs. Portland and Portland is Vaseland. It never started that way. It was a struggle, and a very, very hard struggle. I came to Portland in 2003 on behalf of the Jamaica Labour Party. Bruce Golding was in charge of Portland for the parish council election, and he asked me to come and work with him. I had a relationship with Portland because I've been coming to Portland from I was 8 years old. That was my family's favorite parish to vacation. Cut a long story short, we won the 2003 local government election 5-4. And I won 4 straight elections and 1 by-election between 2007 and 2020. But it goes further than that, because I want the people that are viewing this and my colleagues who may not know the story, how the West was won. I have run 5 elections and no one PNP has come back for a second time. I have run against 5 different PNP candidates. But I was a one-man band because the East was won for 30 unbroken years. So while I was working in the West, the people of the East were not feeling the work. And in 2019, we had the unfortunate passing of the People's National Party Member of Parliament, Linville Bloomfield. And a by-election was called. And my wife said to me, "You have taught me everything I need to know. And if you come with me to the East, I will run and win the seat." Nobody believed that it was possible, including the leadership of the Jamaica Labour Party. And my wife ran against the then most popular opposition candidate, then a deputy leader, that have all kind of lyrics and all kind of Psalm 5. And I say to the leadership of the Jamaica Labour Party, the people believe in me, the people believe in the Jamaica Labour Party, and the people will support Anne-Marie Vase. The rest is history. She won the seat in 2019. And she won the seat in 2020. And guess what? The first victim was the goat man. The second was a pastor. So it means that in East and West Portland, we have beaten 7 candidates, and none of them have come back a second time. And I say to you tonight, and I give the Prime Minister my assurance, that we have 2 new candidates, one in the West and one in the East. The one in the East is a twice convicted drug felon, deported from the United States and imported into East Portland. With all kind of lyrics about which vase him go broke and how much vase him go broke. Well, 7 PNP don't broke one of the vase them yet. And these 2 won't broke any vase because them your vase make out of metal and steel.
Bigger 5! Bigger 5! Bigger 5! Bigger 5!
I leave it at that. And to say to my Prime Minister, my Deputy Leader, and all of my colleagues tonight, when you leave here tonight and you see what you see, you don't have to come back. Go look upon other greener pastures where need help throughout the length and breadth of Jamaica.
Bigger 5! Bigger 5! Bigger 5! Bigger 5!
I'm going to move on to 2 more topics. 2 more. And I want the Prime Minister to listen to me carefully. Can you see me now? You see the times where we're in now? And it's time before election call. Me no no long talk and a long argument with no boy. None at all. 2 comparisons. I want to compare the Jamaica Labour Party and the PNP. And I want to compare Andrew Holness. And I want to tell all guys, anywhere them there in Jamaica, anywhere them there in the diaspora, that if you want to get to him, you have to go through me. Me.
I know everybody like, still we high, come we no love likes, we no answer style.
This is a man who has dedicated his life to Jamaica, coming from humble beginnings, but I'm going to come back to that. The Jamaica Labour Party has shown you the leadership under Andrew Michael Holness. We have shown our performance. We have shown our plans. We have shown everything. Our deliverables. Our ministers have worked so well. And all you get from the PNP is promise, rum talk, and all kind of things where them say them going to do, but them can't tell you how them going to do it. So it is very straightforward in relation to the decisions of a performing government and a government that is looking for power. And all they can tell you, time come. Them can't tell you what time come for or how time going go. Nothing at all. But I go further. This is a man born and grew in Spanish Town. Go through all the challenges and the struggles with his mother to bring him to where he is. and get an education. And yet still, we know who he is. We know where he born. We know everything about him. Yet still, Mark Golden, and I want you to listen to me carefully. 2 years now, him can't tell us the truth about his citizenship. Him say him don't have a UK citizenship. Him say him have a UK visa. We realize him can't have both. So something not right. And up to this day, weeks before our election, we do not know what his true status is and citizenship is. But it is worse than that. And I'm raising it tonight as an item that must be dealt with by civil society and not on the political platform. He got his first passport in 2011, Jamaican passport, at 43 years of age. It means he was living in Jamaica for 43 years without a Jamaican passport. And the only reason why he got the passport is because he was going into government and he needed a Jamaican passport in order to get a diplomatic passport. And I ask you, any man who born in Jamaica or same born in Jamaica and wait until he is 43 years of age to get a Jamaican passport, which allegiance him have? Jamaica or UK? I want you to remember that. And I am calling on civil society. Any man that wants to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica must come clean and make Jamaicans judge him based on his credentials.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Rosemary fruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade.
And if you notice, him don't want to remove the monarchy. When you look on his integrity, commission filing, him not even own a hut. Not even a touch hut. But them a fight against the Prime Minister, big house up at Beverly Hills. Burn them out! Burn them out!
Now we can't fly out.
Remember, you know, me born in Jamaica, but get US citizenship through my mother. And when the court tell me, say, me have to renounce, it never take me 24 hours to renounce because I know where my allegiance, and that's why I'm the member of parliament for 18 years in a West Portland.
Burn them out and run them out and send them out and damn them out. Only man will I bless it with the first of fight, you know that. Please. You don't want to suffer them now, but you know what I'm saying? Some me say them can't on ya. Some them not speak no truth, say them can't.
So listen me now. Because I don't want to take up the Prime Minister time, you know. But you see this, you know? This is my turf. And me run this. And I want to make sure, say, we have the Prime Minister back. From here, go right through to the third term. So follow me closely. Because I now put my mouth on ground tonight and talk, you know. Mark Golden is such a hypocrite and so bad mind that he might call out the Labour Party government, say we raise parliamentary salaries. and enrich ourselves while poor people are suffer. Let me make it clear that Andrew Holness as Prime Minister supposed to get $28.7 million, moving from $9 million. And him say, as Prime Minister, me can't accept that because I have to live with my people and should lead by example. And he said to his parliamentary colleagues, I know that you need it. I need it too. But guess what? On principle, as Prime Minister, I have to lead by example. And he refused it, and he continues to get $9 million a year since the increase 2 years ago. The bad mind, evil, wicked, PNP, all 14 of them, 13 of them, 14 of them, sorry, take the increase. And Mark Golding, salary gone from $8 million to $25.7 million. But you know the difference? Eh? My leader is a proven leader. Mark Golding is a proven businessman. You understand what I'm saying? Him earn money, millions of dollars, through his private investment company, proven. But that is not enough for him. He wants more and more and more money, because all that concerns him is the almighty dollar and not the people of Jamaica. Bun bad mind!
Step up in a line, so tell me what this bag and this for. Work and get your own, not got your brother and your sister. But not hypocritical.
And we can talk because them try everything upon me. There's nothing they have not tried. Them call me everything under the sun. Them accuse me of everything under the sun. Them do all kind of things to me. But you see this man here? Him stand up for me in my most trying times when they wanted to get me out of government on susu and propaganda. And this man stood up for me. And therefore, my commitment to him is to stand up for him and deliver the third term at all costs. I'm going to leave you with two things. Two things. There are several other ministers that are going to do several things to help us win the election. But I have two things that my cabinet has supported me on. You see the school bus? I go and get them bus after bus after bus after bus after bus after bus after bus.
It went tired busy bus. It went the bus after bus.
Yo.
But listen me close now. I want you to listen to me. I get in several texts, phone call, everything you can think about. And people are concerned because of how the PNP are bad mind they bust them. Them want to bust them crash. Them want to bust them. Everything you can think about they want. And people are concerned. And say, Mr. Vase, do everything to make sure I say them bust them safe come September morning. This party is a God-fearing party, a God-loving party, and we believe in the Almighty. So I want to assure all of you tonight and all of Jamaica that before that 110 bus touched the road, September morning, where them call down all kind of judgment upon it, I am going to get every Prime Minister, want to hear me? Because you are going to be there. I am going to get every Christian denomination, pastor, preacher, from all over Jamaica to come and pray over those 110 buses. I'm going to ask them to pray for the buses. I'm going to ask them to pray for the drivers. I'm going to ask them to pray for the students. I'm going to pray and ask them for the teachers. And I asked my assistant today to tell me the churches that I need, because I'm not leaving out nobody. Because we're going to wash away the evil, the sins, the bad mind of all who want to see the bus system fail. The Church of God, Seventh-day Adventist, Pentecostal, Baptist, Anglican, United Church, Methodist, Moravian, Brethren, Christian Apostolic, Roman Catholic, Revivalist, Kumina, Ethiopian Orthodox Church. There is nobody we're leaving out to cleanse the bus them and burn out the evil, wicked, bad mind who want to see it fail. And I leave you with one thing. We are not only going to roll out the 110 buses. My Prime Minister has given me the assurance the 110 buses only serve 258 schools. We have 850 schools in rural Jamaica with 650,000 rural students that are going to get a dedicated school bus service at $50 per trip per day, $100 per student per day, moving from $300 to $600 per student per day. And we, in 2 years, will bring in the additional 300 buses to cover the 850 schools. The PNP has scrapped 2 attempts by the Labour Party to introduce rural school bus. And what they are telling you now is that they want to give money to the same taxi man them to transport the same children, that 700 of them have been injured in the last 3 years, and 60 school children, including right here 1 mile away at Blueberry Hill, have been killed and injured. If God gives me the strength and you give Andrew Holness the mandate for the 3rd term, we commit to you to deliver that to every rural parish in Jamaica. That is the difference between a caring government and a wicked, evil, bad mind opposition that want to see the school bus fail. I close by saying there's one other commitment that this government under Andrew Michael Holness will give. The bus thing kind of wash it out because of the bad mind where I go on. But don't worry about that. Me, we take on all of them one time. Bunting, Golden, Dayton, this one, that one, because bad mind can never prosper in Jamaica.
And for no someone afraid of nobody, you know.
Committing to you that the JPS license that I have already on the Prime Minister's instructions told them that that license cannot be renewed. That license going to tear up. This is the first time the Jamaica Labour Party government will ever have the opportunity to negotiate a license for the people of Jamaica in the interest of the people of Jamaica. You must decide whether you want Andrew Holness and Daryl Vase and the cabinet to negotiate that license. Are you going to give it back to Philip Paulwell and Mark Walden, who negotiate the bad license from 2001? I say to you in closing, this man here, and I want him to stand up. This man here is the man to lead Jamaica to the third term, and anybody else won't cut it. I ask you, Jamaica, not only Portland, everybody who is listening, stick with Andrew Holness, stick with Daryl Vase, stick with the Jamaica Labour Party cabinet, MPs, and God will bless us to bring Jamaica from poverty to prosperity. God bless you. Before I bring on the Prime Minister, I want to apologize because we were supposed to have a long service award for East and West Portland. But unfortunately, the crowd and the turnout has been so big that it has made it impossible. But we will reconvene a special occasion in East and West Portland to recognize all of you in person in the coming days or weeks before election, because without you, there is no me. Without you, there's no Anne-Marie Vase. Without you, there's no Andrew Holness. Without you, there's no Jamaica Labour Party. So I thank you for your understanding. And as I have always said before, we follow one order in Portland. Serve the people, and they will serve you. Love the people, they will love you. Defend the people, they will defend you. Respect the people, they will respect you. And most of all, work for the people, and they will work for you. Prime Minister, before you say your few words, I'm going to ask you for your special awards. We have the Worker of the Year, Paulette Pickersgill, 35 years, currently a scrutineer and supervisor for the Hope Division, working in PD 40. We ask you to just hand out that. Gavin, you have everything ready? Bring them up one at a time, very quickly. I don't want to take up the Prime Minister's time. Canvasser of the Year, Janet Palmer, working for over 20 years, currently a scrutineer for the Buff Bay Division, working as an indoor agent in PD 54. Janet Chambers, working for over 50 years, started as a poll clerk and then presiding officer in the Hope Bay Division. She is currently a supervisor, Rodney Hall and Black Hill area. Longest serving worker in West Portland, Florence Prince, who lives in the Buff Bay Division in the community of Harthill and been as a member of the Jamaica Labour Party from the age of 18 and is now actively a runner in PD 63. For East Portland, for East Portland, Enumerator of the Year, Sandra Heron. Sandra Heron is a cluster supervisor for 4 PDs within the division of Mansion Hill and has been working with the party before she could vote. Top canvasser, Josephine Cousin, 62 years, and has been working with the JLP party for 44 years. From canvassing to indoor agent. Worker of the year in East Portland, Claudette Appleby, 62-year-old party worker, and have been doing an excellent job. She is also an indoor agent, which falls in East Portland. Joan Crawford, who lives in the Fellowship Division, has been doing runner work for over 60 years in PDs 105 and 1 more. Without further ado, I want to introduce to you the best leader and prime minister in the history of Jamaica, the man who is going to deliver